Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cartoon bat for Halloween. I really hope you enjoy this. It's going to be a pretty cool tutorial that you can follow along. This drawing art tutorial, it's really easy. So let's get started. Grab a marker and let's go. Start with a U shape. Down. Kind of an upside down U shape as well. The other side. One more time. Toward the middle. And then try to duplicate that shape as well as you can. So there's 1, 2, 3 till center. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw triangles for eyes. And what you can do is you can either do one of two things. You can shade that in with your marker, or you can do what I'm about to do is just grab any black colored pencil or of any type and fill it in. The benefit to doing this is you don't waste your marker, because there's a lot of marker and then when you do that, it's gonna, when you put a lot of ink down, there's gonna be a lot of odor in the air. So it's kind of up to you whether you want to do that or not. I think for the video, I'll just do this. Another thing, I'm going to color in the eyes. I'm going to grab a yellow colored pencil and color them in. You can do yellow or orange. I know yellow sometimes doesn't even show up. I mean, it did there, so that's good. But that's pretty much it. That's one simplistic way to draw a cartoony bat for Halloween drawing. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked it, please share it for the Halloween spirit. Click that like button so I know I can post more Halloween stuff. But yeah, we got 20 days till Halloween, so I'm excited. Talk to you guys later, and I'll see you tomorrow. Say hi to me in the comments, by the way.